Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut clips within the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device and you may open up a new project or continue editing from your old one. Now, once you are inside the timeline menu, if you wish to cut any clip that you have added, then you can simply click on it. You may also add any of your desired clip from the media option. After tapping on this clip, you will now see the trim or split option. Go ahead and tap on this and you can now split from various different methods. You can tap on the split option if you simply want to cut it into two parts. If you wish to remove the left part, you can tap on it trim left, and if you wish to remove the right part, you can tap on it trim right. After tapping on your desired split option, the clip will now be cut into two parts. And you can now do this with as many number of clips that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cut your clips within the KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.